The State-Level Baisakhi Parwa 2022 was celebrated at Manan Kendra today. The program was organized by Nepali Sahitya Parishad, Sikkim. The event was graced by Chief Minister Shri Prem Singh Tamang as the chief guest, and the Speaker of Sikkim Legislative Assembly, Shri L.B. Das, was present as the guest of honor. The program began with the welcome address by the Vice President of Nepali Sahitya Parishad, NSP, Shri Hari Dhungyal. This was followed by the address of the President NSP, Shri Rudra Poudyal, and the address of the coordinator, EIECOS, Dr. S.K. Rai. Both speakers highlighted about the importance of the festival and the idea behind its celebration. Chief Minister Shri Prem Singh Tamang in his address congratulated the celebration committee for bringing all the 21 communities of Sikkim on a single platform to showcase unity and trust with each other. He appreciated the idea of celebrating the Baisakhi festival and reiterated the commitment of the state government to preserve, protect and develop the language, tradition and culture of all communities of Sikkim. The Chief Minister urged the audience, especially the students, to always cherish their unique identity, language and culture. He stressed on the importance of preserving the language of each community by encouraging writers to publish their work in their own language. The Chief Minister also emphasized on the need to analyze and conduct research to interpret the oral history and related evidence from various sources to gather valuable insights in order to understand our history and our traditions. He also mentioned about different scholarship and fellowship programs initiated by the state government to inspire and strengthen the development of education in the state. In conclusion, the Chief Minister stated that the strength of Sikkim lies in its unity. Earlier, representatives of different communities offered traditional scarf to the Chief Minister to appreciate and acknowledge his commitment for maintaining unity and harmony among the people of Sikkim. There was also an inaugural launch of new books, and the Chief Minister released the following books: Bharke Ko Ghar Upanyas by Shri Rudra Poudyal, Tirkha Yeko Man Geet Sangraha by Shri Hari Dhungyal, Pradesh Tira Katha Sangraha by Shri G.R. Khulal, Prerana Tamang Jatiya Chinari Khojmulak Pustak by Shri Purna Yonzan, Yaktungal Niyama Parichaya Pustak by Shri Shanveer Limbu, Ek Agan Gham Katha Sangraha by Shri Tiru Prasad Nepal, Kalam Sahitik Patrika by Ratan Sahitya Abhiyan, Vandana Geeti Shangalo by Shri Amar Baniya, Lohoro. Later in the program, the coordinator, Bhasha Sangosti, Dr. Tek Bahadur Chaitri, apprised about the Bhasha Sangosti memorandum. The event also had colorful cultural presentations by representatives from various ethnic groups. The program concluded with the vote of thanks proposed by the coordinator, Baisakhi Parwa Samaro Samiti, Shri Raju Basnat. Also present in the program were Deputy Speaker, Sikkim Legislative Assembly Shri Sangye Lepcha, Ministers, MLAs, Member of Parliament, Political Secretary to CM, Mayor, Deputy Mayor, Advisors, Chairpersons, Senior Government Officials, other dignitaries, teachers, students, heads of different community organization and members the organizing committee.